It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 4. These boxes are fabulous. I'm probably going to say that every day. Probably. Oh my gosh, it's a pillowcase. Sew your own standard size pillowcase using the clever burrito style. Yes, yes, and yes. I love it. So this is the instructions for it. Perfect. Love it. If you've never sewn a pillowcase, these are great projects. They're great projects for any age level as well. So if you're teaching somebody to sew, a pillowcase is the perfect start. Okay, is this a panel? What is this? Oh, yes. Oh, it's a Christmas scene. Oh, it is so cute. Okay, so you have the edge of the pillow. You've got this little band for the pillowcase. And then you have the main pillowcase. This is the artwork that's on the main pillowcase. It seriously is adorable. Oh, look at the kitty cat. She's sewing in the house. Oh my gosh, that's where we all want to be, isn't it? While everybody else is having fun outside and freezing off there, I'd be there too. I was thinking this is identical on both sides. Think again. It's not. Each side is its own design. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's so sweet. Look at him snuggled up under a quilt, and she's doing her little cross stitch and eating some snacks. These are the two, you know, this is the environment we all dream of. I mean, no detail here is missed. Look at her stockings or her socks. Yes, I want that. This is adorable. Oh, this is a good one. I love pillowcases.